Howdy. Today we'll be reading from 3rd Nephi chapter 23. And this one is actually short, just like the last one. A little bit shorter. It was actually 14 verses. Anyway, before I begin, if I hit pause and say a prayer and ask for discernment so you can totally understand what you're supposed to. If you want to get your own physical copy of the Book of Mormon, unlike this one, you can send an email to thegospeltruthhaboutwaffles@gmail.com, and I'll send you one on my dime with my testimony on the inside cover, the outside cover, anywhere there's available space, if you so choose to get that. Otherwise, you can go to lds.org or mormon.org and request one there. Well, there's a link in the description you can use to request one from the church. And alternatively, you can download the Gospel Library app for your Windows, Android, or iOS device and skip ahead, jump back, read other texts, go through the conference talks, and just get edified. Don't forget to take notes and pray about the stuff you're not sure about. And feel free to ask me, or go to mormon.org and find somebody to ask there, or talk to a missionary. Just find a Mormon, ask them about it, and yeah, they'll help you out. If you want to analyze a conference talk, I'm happy to do that with you. Speaking of conference talks, General Conference is coming up in October. It's the first weekend. If I can remember, which I may or may not, I will post a link in the description so you can check that out. And, I mean, definitely as soon as the conference talks are posted, I'm happy to go over them with you and analyze them. Because I'll be trying to analyze them myself. And I guess that's it, right? That's all I normally say. No fasting on Wednesdays anymore. I got what I needed out of that. But you're welcome to fast whenever you want. So let's get started. And now behold, I say unto you, that ye ought to search these things. Yea, a commandment I give unto you, that ye search these things diligently. For greater the words of Isaiah. For surely he spake as touching all things concerning my people, which are of the house of Israel. Therefore it must needs be that he must speak also to the Gentiles. And all the things that he spake have been and shall be, even according to the words which he spake. Therefore give heed to my words. Write the things which I have told you, and according to the time and the will of the Father, they shall go forth unto the Gentiles. And whosoever will hearken unto my words, and repenteth and is baptized, the same shall be saved. Search the prophets, for many there be that testify of these things. And now it came to pass that when Jesus had said these words, he said unto them again, after he had expounded all the scriptures unto them, which they had received, he said unto them, Behold, other scriptures I would that ye would write, that ye have not. And it came to pass that he said unto Nephi, Bring forth the record which ye have kept. And when Nephi had brought forth the records, and laid them before him, he cast his eyes upon them, and said, Verily I say unto you, I commanded my servant Samuel the Lamanite, that he should testify unto this people, that at the day that the Father should glorify his name in me, that there were many saints who should arise from the dead, and should appear unto many, and should minister unto them. And he said unto them, Was it not so? And his disciples answered him and said, Yea, Lord Samuel, I did prophesy. No, sorry, I read that wrong. Yea, Lord, Samuel did prophesy according to thy words, and they were all fulfilled. And Jesus said unto them, How be it that ye have not written this thing, that many saints did arise and appear unto many, and did minister unto them? And it came to pass that Nephi remembered that this thing had not been written. And it came to pass that Jesus commanded it should be written. Therefore it was written according as he commanded. And now it came to pass that when Jesus had expounded all the scriptures in one, which they had written, he commanded them that they should teach the things which he had expounded unto them. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I will see y'all later.